Yeah. Holy shit. I turned on the fan. How loud is that? Can you hear the fan?
I've had my fill of you guys.
I know. Shit. Stupid ass fucking giant. Go die, bitch. You gotta be so fucking rude.
Ashley, where are you?
Yeah, where's my sister? Damn, this mic is really good. Oh look, it's the midget guy. Oh no, wait, that's Ashley. My sister. What's wrong, Ashley?
Let's stay back.
Oh no, she's...
It might hurt you
Damn. It's because of the blood.
again. I'm so scared.
Can't believe people can actually do that with blood.
When that happened,
Wait, what time is it?
it wasn't
Holy shit, it's 12.
anymore. That was something else.
Gosh, she must have been terrifying night. I know.
Oh man, I thought someone...
You too?
Yep.
It's okay to be afraid, you know. But you can't run. We gotta keep moving forward. We will beat this. Together.
I don't know if I can.
You can. Just give me a heads up before you stab me next time, okay?
Good question.
Leon,
I don't know what to say to that.
thanks.
Let me see. Resolution. So when I go to the settings for this, I see resolution, FPS type, device, configure video. I think it's configure video. The only thing I can do for the video is raise the brightness on it. Is that bright enough? Put something on the screen so I can tell you. I don't know what you mean by that. How many times did I die? I did better. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know what you mean when you say we'll put something on. Oh, you're talking about that. Okay. I'm done. Alright, let me see something real quick. Color range. Yeah, it's probably because of that. Is the static still going on or is it not? Audio, desktop, wave out, digital audio device. Oh crap! I don't know what to say to that. It's probably because of the. I doubt it, but.
Luis, where are you?
Is it still there?